Back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. We're not going to talk about any food. We're going to talk about International World Woman Day today. Well, I just want to get it straight out, you know what I mean, to my fans, them, you know what I mean, and you know what I mean. The reason why I want to do this video to share, because a lot of people doesn't know that today it is World International Woman Day, and you know what I mean. We want to big up all of the ladies and all of the women, them, you know what I mean. Respect goes for you guys, and I want to say, you know what I mean, some man about their wife at their house and they don't even know what's going on. Some female doesn't know what's going on, but we just wanted to make you know that today it is World International Woman Days, and I want to say it goes out for all of the female them. Big up every female, respect every female, and I want to tell you something. Some man who don't respect female, let me tell you something, who need to respect them. You understand? Because female, they're the one who bring us into this world. So, you know what I mean? If you're not my mother, if you're not my father, if you're not my sister, if you're not my brother, but we respect everybody. Yeah? So, what I want to say, this month also, it is Mother's Day month. March 26th is Mother's Day in England. And, you know what I mean? We want to say big up every mother also. So, guys, please leave your comments below and tell me what you think about International World Woman Day. You know what I mean? It's fantastic. Big up, that's what I want to say. We want to big up all of the female them. That's what we are talking about. Big up every female. Respect goes out from Chef Ricardo and the team. You know what I mean? One love and respect. So leave your comments below, and you know what I mean? We just support the ladies them right all the way through. Mother's Day is coming up. Respect every mothers. Look out for the video for Mother's Day. We already done put up a video about Mother's Day. We have another part 2 which is coming very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Google plus Chef Ricardo. On the way, represent Jamaica. The best of the best right now. Thank you so much and tune in. See you next time. Bye bye.